and everyone in between. Welcome to Distracted by Diamonds. Robin here. Before you say anything, I've already unbagged this diamond painting. I did not really technically cheat because I filmed the entire thing, and after I got done, sadly realized that my ceiling fan was running, making this horrible humming noise throughout the entire video. There's just no way that I can edit that out. It did come on this lovely foam roller. It did come in this bag along with the tools, even though I asked her not to include them, but that's okay. The canvas is absolutely lovely. It is nice and flat. There are no scrunchies in it. It does not have that annoying seam running down the middle. This is all one solid piece of adhesive. So even before I pulled up the adhesive, which I did in the other video to show you the actual painting underneath, it was just a nice flat painting in really good condition. I'll show you the back. I'm not even going to have to put it in the heat press, even though I don't mind putting things in the heat press. I kind of enjoy it. So if you clicked on the thumbnail because you were curious as to which of those paintings I chose, let me show you the drills. Does this give it away? I have an entire bag of this lovely, beautiful teal color. All of these pretty emerald greens. There's even some pink. My favorite color combo, or one of them, is green and pink. I love it all day. This painting is a gift for my, well, we hope he will be our future son-in-law. But it's a gift for him, even if he doesn't become my future son-in-law, because I just love him anyway. It is the teal guitar. Look at how beautiful. I am going to enjoy working on this painting so much because look at this beautiful color that I get to look at the entire time. I'm gonna hop up and grab my camera and zoom in really close here on the key, on the chart. It looks to me like Sophie Beauty must use a lot of the same symbols consistently because they're almost identical to the symbols that are in my other Sophie Beauty painting that I'm almost finished with. So no big surprises or anything there. I'm used to that, so that's awesome. And I also want to show you the bottom of this painting because I was pretty concerned about where they had chosen to cut off the rendering of this picture. Good chunk of the guitar still visible there. Nice pretty little flowers over here. Now I'm contemplating substituting some AB drills in here. So we might be doing some of that, or I might actually use some of the yellows in the middle that I already have that I just was telling you about in my last video. If you didn't see any of those, please go over to my channel and check it out. One of the exciting things about this painting that I'm really looking forward to is the way that I'm going to hang it or frame it. So I went to the flea market one day and I found two of these tapestries. Upon seeing it, immediately I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I could remove the tapestry off of here and use this bracket to hang a diamond painting from? The ends of the bracket just screw off of here, which is really nice. So that's how this comes off. And the way that it is attached is it's just two pieces of fabric and there's a little sleeve inside of here, if you can see it, where that dowel actually goes in. When I ran across this diamond painting on Sophie Beauty, I thought, wow, it's the perfect size. I love the artwork. So as you can see, it is going to be pretty much the perfect size. Anyway, this is a long process in me trying to figure out how I was going to do it because before I even start this, I need to know what I'm doing, right? This is what my plan is at the moment. I'm going to start the painting from the bottom, do the painting up to round about here, leave this part unfinished. Well, I probably will put some kind of electrical tape, some kind of black tape up here, okay, so that you can't see the white. And then I'm going to turn this under, and I'm gonna sew this sucker, and literally with my sewing machine, I'm gonna sew it all the way across and make that little pocket. And then once I have it sewn, I'm gonna go back in and finish just the top part. And the reason I can't finish the top part is if I do sew this in my sewing machine, I obviously don't want to have drills to contend with to try to stick them under my foot pedal. So, well, underneath my foot, it's not a pedal. The pedal goes on the floor. I'm going to do 2 guitars. Now, I knew for a fact that I wanted this guitar involved. I would like for you guys to vote and tell me which other diamond painting I should do for him. Will it be the skull? Or will it be the octopus, keeping with the aquatic theme? Now, I like them both equally, so I really can't decide. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know which one you like or which one you think would be better. He's actually a musician. He plays the guitar, and he's in a band, and he's also the lead singer, and he's also a doctor. So he doesn't have a lot of time to watch YouTube videos. I'm not afraid of him finding out my little secret, but I do want to have them done before Christmas. So I'm going to give this video a couple weeks to marinate, and we'll see where we're at. And then I will do an update and let you know which one you guys have decided on, and I will order it. I have started an Instagram page. It's Distracted by Diamonds. Leave me a message. I don't know. Make a comment. Cuss me out. Whatever it is you want to do. Please feel free to go over there and do that. Now, I am not extremely well versed in Instagram at the moment. I'm learning, so don't expect a whole lot from me to begin with. I think that brings our time together today to a close. I will be sure to link to my Instagram account below if I can figure out how to do that. Please vote. Help me decide which mate I'm going to pick to this diamond painting. If you got any entertainment at all out of this video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. I'd really like to get enough subscribers so that we can do live videos, because wouldn't that be fun? And ring that bell if you'd like to be notified the next time that I post. As always, remember kids, truth without tact is just cruelty. And I will see all of you next time.